planning on taking out the Talaria XXX through some dirt trails this weekend, but unfortunately the 74 volt conversion isn't going as smoothly as planned. So we're gonna take out the 72 volt YZ250 instead.
I forget how freaking big this thing is. All right, I'm gonna start off with the lowest setting. The lowest setting on this thing easily still breaks the rear end. So we're at 81.3 volts starting the day, which is like 85% charged. It should be good enough. I'm only planning on riding for like an hour or so. I'm just blindly riding over a thick stack of leaves right now, and everything's wet. So we are just gambling. Holy shit. I'm pretty glad that the tune on this Electro & Co controller comes standard set up to engine brake. Makes it a lot easier to control the bike at low speeds going downhill. So this is actually Pat's first time riding in almost 5 months. He's still recovering from a brain surgery, so we're taking it a little easier today.
Having trouble shifting with my left foot.
You are?
Yeah. My left foot's not entirely back, especially with fine movement.
Yeah.
And wearing these boots, it's real hard.
Have you ridden this?
You might like it.
No, yeah. I don't want to like it. I don't want to like it. Holy shit. I'm like tiptoeing like crazy on this thing. Did you get out of map 1 yet?
No. What's map 1?
The lowest setting.
Oh no, I stayed in that.
Yeah. How is it?
It's fast as shit.
Is it?
And it feels good. It really feels great for being completely aftermarket. I didn't know what to expect.
Well, if you put it in map 3, it's probably what you thought. Like it just dumps the torque right off the bat.
Yeah.
Right. Oh my god.
This thing is insane.
What?
I swear I was sideways on this thing. I almost lost it. And I wailed up here. It was awesome. This thing is sick.
And you don't have to think about shifting or anything.
No, and that's the thing that gets me is like, it's kind of nice to not have to shift.
You're freaking spoiled with this thing.
I know. It's too easy.
The suspension?
Yeah.
The suspension's insane.
Yeah. That thing is, it's like cheating.
This is like riding on Olin's.
Yeah, yeah.
Did you try it on map 3?
No.
Or just the middle? Huh?
Map 2 is fine.
Yeah.
Plenty.
I didn't realize it would just rip your grass like that. I often get asked if this bike has enough power to pop up the front wheel. This is mode 2 on 76 volts. Unfortunately, it keeps breaking the traction right now, but when it catches traction, the front end certainly lifts. Or it tears up the grass like this. Sorry, Pat. I still feel a little awkward with the foot brake, and I don't feel entirely comfortable with it yet. I'm just more used to riding my Talaria with the left rear brake, so I am thinking about converting this to a handbrake, since obviously I don't have a clutch anymore. All it would take is just running a cable up front and then putting a master cylinder here. Let me know if you guys have any suggestions or what you think about that idea. All right, Justin, make us proud. Bye.
We are back home now. It's time to stop procrastinating. Got to wrap up this Talaria project so we can finally figure out how fast this thing's going to go with the new 74 volt setup. But if you enjoyed today's video, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you like this kind of content, want to keep up with any of my bike projects, consider subscribing to this channel. But this is going to be it for today. Thank you for watching.